I'm trapped in my mind, girl, just holding on. I don't wanna
What's up, my dudes? My name is MaryjaneDaniel, and the Savvy Cat has brought me here to you today to voice over her makeup tutorial. So, step one of achieving the smoky, fruity peach wizard look is to hold things up in front of the camera too fast for me to read them. I'm assuming it was foundation or primer. I don't actually know if those are two different things. Just smear some shit on your eyeball that's relatively the same shade as your skin, and everything will all work out. Make sure to get it all up in them criminy creases, and then poke yourself in the eye a lot. All emo kids' inspiration comes from pain. Anyway, next, we'll be applying some more shit that I couldn't read, but I know it was eyeshadow. Fuchsia, I think that was fuchsia. Fuchsia's like pink, right? Like a purpley pink. Like a purple that isn't ready to commit to being pink or purple. There's that magenta. Fucking flamingo. I don't know. Do you ever feel like there's too many colors, man? Like you change one fucking hexadecimal of a shade, and you have to name it a whole fucking different color. Like, who names colors anyway? Oh shit, that was another fucking pink. I don't even, like, are these even different colors? That one just looked like a more saturated version of the previous pink. But anyway, just do this, do that, do what she's doing, and you'll come out okay. You'll come out on top every time. Nothing will ever get you down, because you have the passion in your heart. And you can never be defeated. You are the Lord of Realm. Oh, another color. Well, we'll call that one Depressing Blue over a midnight sky. And just do the same shit with that one. Put it on the outermost lower upper part of where she just do it where she's doing it. Dabbity dab dab dab, tappity tap tap tap, and then do a little swoosh, and then I'm talking makeup, man. The makeup speaks to me in runes of the ancient language of Dagoth. I'm getting a little distracted here. Another color, do another color. I didn't see what it was. I'll try to guess by looking at what she's doing. I think it was another blue. A more succulent blue, to be quite specific. Yes, we are quite fancy. We only do the fanciest makeup here on the Savvy Cat. I don't know why I'm slowly turning into Sean Connery. Anyway, I don't know what the brush thing was. She showed a brush. I don't know if that was a different kind of brush, or what she was trying to signal me there to do or talk about, but, well, I think it was a wider, oh, fuck, what color was that? Silver, maybe. It might have been like a green. I have a hard time with certain shades of green and blue, so don't judge me, please. It's a burden to live with, not knowing if things are silver, blue, or green sometimes. Only certain times, though. But anyway, put that shit in the central mass of your eyelid ball, and, well, she's changing colors fast now, I guess. Not spending so much time on one single color. Gotta spice it up a little bit, you know. Gotta really perfect that sparkly raccoon unicorn look, whatever I called it at the beginning. I don't remember now. If you haven't noticed, I've gotten, like, progressively more high over the course of doing this. Anyway, now that that's done, we're gonna wipe away the tears of failure. Well, not failure, but the tears of fear. I don't know what we're afraid of. Nothing, because fear nothing, except fear itself. Inspiration with your makeup tutorial. Oh snap, Savvy. Snap away them bad vibes, and then, oh yeah, we gotta do the bottom of the eye. Totally forgot that was a thing that still needs to happen. Honestly, I thought we were almost done, but I guess we gotta do that still. So, do that now, at this point in time. Fasten your seatbelt. I don't know what I'm saying. Yes, fill out that bottom eyelid, and then pull out your magic spell tome, and recite your spells like a good young wizard. And then when you have finished that, give yourself a nice pat on the face as a reward for being a diligent wizard in training. And then mascara. That's always important. The easiest part of the trick of the trade of the track. Now I will stall for several seconds. And we're done. Hey, there's our finished look. Like and subscribe. Check out my channel if you like music and gaming and comedy stuff. Here's the outro card. Woo!